Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I have shown you how to produce the messages by using key and value pairs by using Docker commands. So in this video, I will create a topics and we will producing some messages. After that, I will delete that topic. So for creating the topics, first let's open the CMD by using Windows and R, typing CMD, checking the running container by using docker ps command. Yeah, there is two running container is right now. One is pgadmin and second one is a Postgres. And let's check the stopped container as well by using docker ps hyphen a command. Only two commands right now is appear here. So in previous video, I have already created a Docker Compose file for running the Kafka and Zookeeper as well. So I'm going to that folder for running the Kafka Compose file. So going to backward by using cd space dot dot. Let's go to our Docker Compose folder. Let's run the Kafka Compose file by using Docker Compose hyphen f Kafka Docker Compose up, enter it. It is going to create the networks as well as Zookeeper containers and Kafka containers as well. Once the container has been created, then we will go inside the Kafka container and run the Kafka related commands. Right now it is going to create the container for the Zookeeper and Kafka. You can see in my screen. Let's wait until the Zookeeper and Kafka is not up. Yeah, now Zookeeper is up. It is going to running the Kafka as well. Now Kafka is also up. Let's open another command. In this command, let's check the running container by using docker ps command. In here, you can see Kafka and Zookeeper is in running state. You can see in status field up 51 seconds. Now it's time to go inside the Kafka container by using docker exec hyphen it and container name. Container name is nothing but a Kafka, which is highlighted in the screen, and get the space and type the bias, enter it. Now I am inside the Kafka container. Let's check the let's check the available topics by using Kafka topics sh hyphen hyphen list hyphen hyphen bootstrap server. Here we are going to pass the Kafka URL. In this video, I am going to use container name and its internal port 9092. For, for more information purpose, you can watch my previous video so you will better understand how it is working. Now there is no topics available right now, so I'm going to create a topics by using Kafka topic sh hyphen hyphen create hyphen hyphen topic. Provide the topic name as a topic test. Now we need to pass the bootstrap server Kafka 9092. Also we need to define the partitions 1 and replication factor as well. Replication factor 1, enter it. Once the topic will be created, then we will produce some messages. So let's produce the messages by using Kafka console producer dot sh hyphen hyphen topic. Here we need to define the topic name, topic, text. Now we need to define the bootstrap server in here. So I'm going to define bootstrap server Kafka 9092 and enter it. Now let's pass the messages, anything like hello, how are you, how are you. Let's open another command. In this command, let's check the running container by using docker ps. Let's go to inside the Kafka container, docker exec hyphen it. Now we need to define the container name or container id and base, enter it. Let's consume the messages, docker Kafka console consumer dot sh hyphen hyphen topic. Here we need to define the topic name, topic, text, which is previously created in another command. You can see topic name is topic test. Now we need to define bootstrap server URL. Here we are passing the Kafka URL. Now let's from beginning. We need to consume the messages from the beginning. Let's enter it. Beginning. Enter it. What happened here? From beginning. Why it is not working command? Let's check the logs in here. Group member 1 and millisecond. Yeah, it is working. That is a correct command. Now I'm going to produce a messages. Anything. How are you? I am fine. How about you? Now let's see in the consumer side. You can see here that messages also consume here. Let's close this command. Now let's let's get exit from Kafka container. Now now let's check the now let's delete the topic name. So I'm exiting from the producer commands. Let's check the available topic by using Kafka topics sh hyphen hyphen list. Now we need to define the bootstrap server. Bootstrap server in here we need to pass the Kafka URL 9092. You can check only one topic will be appear here. Let's delete this topic. This topic also consume messages. sh hyphen 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 delete hyphen hyphen topic. In the topic we need to define the topic name which we will going to delete. Topic text hyphen hyphen bootstrap server. Bootstrap server. In the bootstrap server we are going to pass the our bootstrap server URL. So enter it. You will see this topic will be deleted. What happened here? Topic. Okay. Uh, that is the spelling mistake here. Topic. Now I have corrected this. Let's enter it. Yeah. Now topic has been deleted. You can check the available topics by using Kafka topic sh hyphen hyphen list bootstrap server. Now enter it. You can see there is no topics available right now. So in this video I have shown you how to create the topics and produce messages, delete produce messages and consume that messages, and as well as deleting that topic by using delete commands. In in upcoming video I will provide the Kafka integration with the Spring Boots. All these commands and Docker compose files in information I will provide in description. You can check description box. If you are facing any issue, you can comment me. I will provide the solution. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. If you are subscribed my channel, you will get the further update or upcoming videos. Thank you.